Hey, I was Shipper Kids Edition. So, we are finna do the slime collection video, like I said, that I would do yesterday when I posted my night routine. Here goes a slime. It's really sticky. It's not done, but I was rushing pretty much. I have this here sticky other slime. It's like a pearly kind. It's like, but it's in camera. It's like a ugly color, but in real life, it's like a pearl color circle color. Then I have this basic clear. It was clear, but it's old now, so it's changing color. And it's like another peachy pearly kind of color. Probably looks ugly on camera, but not ugly in real life. This is my first ever cloud slime. See? Wait. Like I said, it's my first ever cloud slime, so it's not really effective. But it's okay. This was fluffy slime, but now it's regular. It's like a blue color. It's a little sticky too. Here goes this. This is a basic white, but the top, like the foil was like halfway off, so it got a little hard at the top, so it's not really as good as it was when I made it. Here, oops. Okay, here is another sticky slime. I told you guys I don't play with slime like that, so they're getting sticky. Here goes a basic. Oh, this one's not sticky. It smells like vanilla. Maybe I added scent to this. Maybe I did. Okay, because I remember me having a vanilla scent to it. And this actually had, like, it actually had purple glitter, but, it's at the bottom now. Oh, guys, this is a really sticky one. Because I added a lot of blue to this because I did a challenge when I was, like, on my old channel. I did a challenge by adding the whole bottle of food coloring, so it's like that much, and it's so sticky. Oops. This slime fell out of the container, so gotta add this up in there. Oh no, my hands are getting very sticky. This outfit cannot get dirty. Okay. So, then I have this putty slime. Oopsie. Good thing it's not sticky. Oopsie. Oh, my blue stuff is getting on it, but whatever. So, now I got blue stuff in it. It's putty. See, it's flarp. So, hold on, guys.
They got like the little silver zippers.
I got these.
No, but you got some black ones.
Sorry, guys. My mom, she came in because I have like a daddy-daughter dance or something for Friday. So I would try to. Oh. Yeah, this is the slime. Mom, you want to say hey? Mom, that's not hay. Silly. said hey. Okay, and here goes this final slime. This is glow in the dark. But if I show you guys, it's not going to work because my light. But I guess we could try it another day. So just make sure you guys remind me. So that is my whole slime collection. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like and subscribe and comment down below on what other videos you guys would like to see. Bye.
They call me, promise that you never be lonely. Be the best.